Welcome everybody, we're here always in London. This is the end of the week and we are in the Italian boys. After 1 week, you know, the work in progress has almost finished, and next week we are about to open the place. Let's get inside and see how things going. Here we go. This is the place. How it is now. This is the ceiling. It's a nice ceiling with a beautiful red chandelier in glass. So basically what we have here is a pizza oven with a back pizza working table. We have a fully equipped pasta shop kitchen equipment, and here what we have is a complete drop-in system units with double system, refrigerated and hot at the same time. As you can see here, we have the switches and this is the pasta show. This is the pasta show system. Okay, so they're going to work with pasta in front of the customers. Still there's a mess, but next week is going to be open. This is the back counter.